Hello my ninjas, this is Sun. So today I'm using my new camera again. If you feel like there's something wrong or you don't really like it, please let me know. I'm going to kind of switch on and off between my Lumix, this camera I'm using right now, and my Canon T5i for like my main videos. My vlogs is all the same on my Canon G7X, but let's move on from that. Today I want to give you guys a review on WISHTREND's brand called Klairs, and I want to show you guys some of the products too. I've actually used one of their products, the Dere Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum, for about a little over a month now, and I've used like this much of it. I use it almost like every other day. It really moisturizes and soothes your skin. I think they have this like slight smell to it, kind of like baby lotion smell. That doesn't bother you, it just has like a small scent to it, but besides that I really love it. I'm going to tell you guys what Klairs is because WISHTREND actually sent me 4 products. This one I bought myself. This one I actually got on Urban Outfitters. Klairs is a Korean global beauty brand that holds importance for simple but enough philosophy. We only use ingredients that are gentle to the skin, no colorants, no alcohol, no parabens, no artificial fragrances, cruelty-free and vegan-free. First thing is the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. I think this works really well. Like a little bit goes a long way because it's not very liquidy, but it's not very thick, so it's somewhere in between. It says that it's supposed to be deep moisturizing, balances pH level, cleanses and soothes. You can definitely use this on its own if you forget moisturizer, but I do recommend using moisturizer all the time. These 4 products that I'm showing you, I've only used it for a couple days, so it's sort of like my first impressions on the products. The next product is the Dere Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop, and a lot of people said really good things about this. So I hope that it like clears up some of my skin, some like dark spots in my skin, and hopefully just evens out my skin overall, because vitamin C is supposed to help your skin. Excuse the way my nails look because some of them are broken. Anyways, yeah, centella extract, hybrid stabilization technology, and all you need is like a couple drops. It tells me that I only need 1 or 2 drops, but I use about like 4 drops because I like the way it feels and the way it hydrates. It makes your skin very glowy and it makes your skin feel very like soft. My skin is very dry, so for me I use like 3 drops. Next thing is the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. This is nothing way too special so far that I've used it. It just feels like a regular moisturizer, but it takes care of my dry skin for the winter, so that's what I like about it. It says basic essentials, moisturizing and soothing care for comforting, deep hydrating moisturizer, contains a rich blend of hydrating ingredients free of dyes, fragrances, and animal-based components, just like all the other products are like. Lastly is their Dere Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. This is really a little bit goes a long way because the first time I used it, I used a lot. The texture is very odd because it's kind of like when you scoop it out, it sort of resembles jelly. Very hydrating, very liquidy. I use it as like a nighttime mask, so I just put it on before I go to sleep after I put on the 3 other items. I put it on before I go to sleep, and then your face feels amazing when you wake up. A little bit more supple when you wake up. Tells you after cleansing, apply an adequate amount of product to the skin and pat lightly to absorb. But the first time I actually like put too much on, so I had to wash some of it off. It's boosting radiance and glow, so perfect. I love this stuff. Hopefully it will give me some results to my skin after I use it for quite a while. Those are all the products that I have to review from Clare so far. I really like this company because a lot of people actually recommend it too, but I just haven't had the chance to like purchase it. I'm glad I purchased this, and I'm so glad that WISHTREND sent me these other 4 items for me to try out. If you have any other questions, just go ahead and leave it below. I might change my mind about some things, or I might even include some of them in my favorites videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Bye. You can see my mic now. Bye. I have a hood here, so it's hard for me to close it. But pretend I'm gone.